So here's a little bit about my Tatra 815 3D printed truck. Getting pretty near complete now. I'm going for the container option. It's a 8-wheel drive, 4-wheel steering truck. 2 back differentials are locked. The 2 front are full working differentials to save wear and tear on the steering. Under the cabin is where all the electronics are. So we got our ESP32 from the DIY Guy 999. His YouTube channel is where I found this thing. What an amazing little board this is. Runs off ESP32 and controls the light, sound, and the how the truck moves. So it's got inertia control on it, which is really fun to play around with. So I'm sitting on top of a Bluetooth speaker box that I added, running an FR Sky receiver and Hobbywing Quick Run ESC 1060 ESC. So here's a little demonstration of the startup of the Tatra 815. You'll see the shaker weight here. This is what gives it the rough diesel idle. So you can see it shaking. It's pretty authentic.
You